Did you know that the right engine additives can extend your engine's life by up to 10,000 miles and boost your fuel economy by as much as 20%? That's not marketing hype. That's real-world performance backed by mechanics, science, and everyday drivers just like you. In this video, we're breaking down the 9 fuel additives that actually work. These aren't gimmicks. They're game changers. Whether you want more miles per gallon, a cleaner running engine, or to prevent costly repairs. This video is your secret weapon. Let's dive in. Number 7. Ethanol Stabilizers. The modern gasoline contains up to 10% ethanol, which might be fine for daily drivers, but it's a real threat to engines that sit unused for weeks or months. Ethanol attracts moisture from the air, which can lead to water contamination in your fuel tank and corrosion in your fuel lines. That's where ethanol stabilizers come in, like Stabil 360 Performance or Seafoam Storage. These additives bond with water molecules, preventing them from sinking to the bottom of the tank and rusting out your system. They also keep fuel chemically fresh for up to 12 months. That's why these additives are perfect for boats, motorcycles, lawn equipment, or classic cars in winter storage. Use them at every fill-up during long-term storage, or in regions where ethanol fuel is the norm. You'll experience smoother starts, cleaner combustion, and avoid corrosion-related fuel issues. Number 6. Fuel System Cleaners. If your car feels sluggish, chugs gas like a thirsty V8, or struggles during cold starts, it may be time for a complete fuel system cleaner. Unlike basic injector cleaners, full fuel system cleaners treat the entire fuel delivery path, from the tank and lines to the injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. These are especially effective on older or high-mileage engines with significant carbon buildup, and they can restore fuel economy, engine smoothness, and even horsepower. After a single application, you might notice a 6% improvement in MPG, and as much as 10 to 15 horsepower recovery, particularly in neglected engines. Use these treatments every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or before an emissions test, to clean out deposits that rob your engine of efficiency and throttle response. It's one of the few additives mechanics actually recommend to fix mild performance issues without opening the hood. Number 5. Upper Cylinder Lubricants, the unsung hero of engine longevity. Modern fuel is dry and contains fewer lubricants than it used to, thanks to stricter emissions regulations. That means less protection for your engine's upper cylinder walls, valve seats, and piston rings. Over time, this can lead to excessive friction, valve wear, and even oil burning. That's why upper cylinder lubricants, like Marvel, Mystery Oil, or Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant, are gaining popularity. These additives form a protective film in the upper combustion area, which reduces wear, enhances ring sealing, and even cleans light carbon deposits along the way. You'll notice quieter cold starts, reduced oil consumption, and smoother revs, especially in high-mileage engines. It's like a multivitamin for your cylinders. Cheap, effective, and preventative. And yes, they're also safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors when used correctly. Number 9. Fuel Injector Cleaners. Say goodbye to dirty spray patterns. Fuel injector cleaners are like giving your engine a spa treatment. Over time, carbon and varnish build up inside your fuel injectors, clogging the spray pattern and messing with your combustion efficiency. This leads to rough idling, sluggish acceleration, higher emissions, and a drop in MPG. A quality cleaner, like Chevron Techron or Royal Purple Max Clean, uses powerful detergents to dissolve those carbon deposits and restore precise fuel atomization. When injectors are clean, fuel burns more completely, which boosts power and makes your engine feel young again. In some high-mileage cases, horsepower can increase by 5 to 15 HP after cleaning. For best results, Use these additives every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or at every oil change, especially in older vehicles or those frequently used in city driving. Number 8. Octane Boosters. Instant Power Surge. If you've got a high-compression engine, turbocharger, or just love to drive hard, Octane Boosters can be your secret weapon. These additives increase your fuel's octane rating and helps it to resist engine knock. That knock can rob you of power, stress your pistons, and even crack them over time. But with a booster like Boostane or Lucas Octane Booster, you're giving your engine the freedom to run optimal ignition timing without knocking itself to death. You'll notice sharper throttle response, smoother revs, and reduced pinging under heavy load. Octane Booster are highly effective and often used by performance car owners. Octane boosters should be added every time you fill the tank, particularly when towing, driving in hot weather, or using lower octane fuel than recommended. Number 4. Diesel fuel additives. Diesel engines have different needs than gasoline engines, and diesel-specific additives address issues like low lubricity in ultra-low sulfur diesel, moisture contamination, injector fouling, and low cetane levels. These additives not only clean and protect the injectors, but also improve combustion efficiency, boost fuel economy by up to 8%, and can add 5 to 10 horsepower in large diesel engines. Products like Power Service Diesel Clean, Plus Cetane Boost, and Hot Shots Secret Diesel Extreme combine cleaning agents, cetane improvers, and lubricity enhancers in a single formula. For optimal performance, use these additives with every tank during high-load driving or every 3,000 to 5,000 miles as part of routine diesel maintenance. Number 3. Fuel Stabilizers. Fuel stabilizers are one of the most underrated lifesavers for engines that sit unused for weeks or months. Unlike ethanol stabilizers that fight moisture, fuel stabilizers like STA Bill Storage or Yamaha Fuel Med RX go a step further. They prevent your gasoline from degrading over time, even if it doesn't contain ethanol. Here's the truth. Gasoline starts to oxidize and break down in as little as 30 days. That's why engines that sit too long often struggle to start. A quality fuel stabilizer chemically halts that breakdown, keeping fuel fresh for up to 24 months in storage. Whether you're parking your boat for the winter or preserving your generator, adding a stabilizer before storage can save you hundreds in repairs and hours of frustration. Just pour it into the tank before your final fill-up. Let the engine run for a few minutes, and you've protected your entire system with just 1 ounce per gallon. Number 2. Antigel Additives. Winter armor for diesel engines. If you drive a diesel in cold weather, Antigel additives are not optional, they're survival gear. When temperatures drop, diesel fuel begins to thicken and form wax crystals, which can clog your fuel filter and shut down your engine entirely. That's where Antigel additives come in, like Power Service Diesel Fuel Supplement or Howe's Diesel Treat. These formulas prevent diesel from gelling, keeping your fuel flowing smoothly even in temperatures as low as -40°F. They work by lowering the cold filter plugging point, which is the temperature at which wax particles begin to block your filter. Just add it to your tank before the cold hits, and you'll avoid the dreaded no start on a freezing morning. Number 1. Lubricity additives. Modern fuels, particularly ULSD and reformulated gasoline, lack the natural lubricating properties that older fuels once had. This can cause wear in fuel pumps and injectors over time, especially in older vehicles. Lubricity additives restore this protective film, reducing friction and extending component life. While these additives don't deliver immediate horsepower gains, they prevent performance losses and expensive repairs caused by wear and tear. Stanodyne Performance Formula and OptiLube XPD are considered 2 of the best in third-party tests, with OptiLube often topping industry lubricity benchmarks. Long-term use helps maintain fuel system integrity, improves idle quality, and sustains MPG performance over time. So, there you have it. 9 fuel additives that actually earn their spot on the shelf. And the best part? They're cheap, easy to use, and can save you thousands in fuel and repairs over the life of your vehicle. Drop a comment below telling us which additive you swear by. Let's keep your ride running stronger, longer,